Hello and welcome to an update really. The last video I made was 3.2 meter long sign. Big job, lots and lots of work. Biggest thing I've ever made. Seriously, I was really happy with the result. I was over the moon with it. Now, since then, I've made a few pens. I've even making a heart for somebody. I've kind of done little things, not anything that has been warranting to turn on a camera. So I want to change that. So I'm in the process of kind of having a think, see what I can do. So yeah, bear with me on that. On my channel I haven't got a video, but doesn't mean that I haven't got a video. Now in November I had the nice guys from Evolution Power Tools. They came and saw me and we actually made a video. Now it's just a simple kind of get to know me and see what I'm like and see some of the projects that I've made. Now it was also, I made a dog feeder as well. Simple thing, just one bit of wood with a couple of legs and a couple of holes cut in there. Made basically on a miter saw and jigsaw and router to cut out the holes in for the dog bowls. So it was a simple project. Now the guys have put the project together to go into the Evolution Power Tools TV episode, which is going to be aired on the 24th of April. Not 100% sure on what time, but it is set to premiere on the 24th of April. So I'm going to leave a link down below. I did actually make this when I actually was doing the video. I haven't done anything with it yet, but I'm thinking of making it into a kind of round plant pot stand or something like that. But it was something that we did just to show how kind of the accuracy of the actual saw is. Because once I set it up, it was they all line up quite nicely, and there's obviously my clamping isn't the best, but yeah, everything lined up. So the saw is a really good saw. I've had it for years now and I'm really happy with it. So I am really glad that they chose to include me in this this little thing that they did. Will from WH Creations, he was on the first episode. This is the second episode. Now in the third episode is going to be Honor, and he's from Dies in Every Film. He's really good, better than me really. It's not hard really. So he's going to be in May's episode. But Evolution Power Tools are doing this TV series on a YouTube channel. Now it is really well done, and you can actually win prizes. I know, it's good. So if you actually go over and have a look at the video, you'll be very impressed with it. It's hosted by Average Joe from Average Joe's Joinery. Joe Whitaker is really good at presenting, and in that video you will see a little bit of get to know me, and then after that it's the guys from Eastleigh's Men in Sheds. Now obviously that's a good thing to get involved with anyway. So kind of, if you haven't got rooms like me and you want to kind of do some woodworking or DIY or something like that, get in touch with them. because you can go and use their space, and they probably help you out as well. Also on the episode is Sean Eversley, really talented woodworker, definitely better than me. He's been woodworking for a long time. Now Sean has got his own YouTube channel as well, but yeah, he has a chat with Joe, and he is very, very talented. So yeah, go and have a look. As I said, you can win prizes on there, and yeah, it's definitely worth a watch. So it was a big honour for me to actually be part of. So yeah, I'm really chuffed. And there is, the project video is a different video, and that'll probably be on a link in the video. So as I said, it's a dog bowl stand. So yeah, if you go over and to the Evolution Power Tools TV episode 2, then you probably be able to click on the link and go and watch the project video. So yeah, 2 videos for the price of 1. It's good. Yeah, it was a brilliant experience. I never thought I'd actually do it, but yeah, really good. Now in a week's time is gonna be Makers Central. Now Makers Central hasn't been on for 2 years now. Now I was really looking forward to it, and obviously COVID hit. Now unfortunately they haven't got control over anything that happens worldwide like COVID. So obviously yeah, it's something that all the makers, I think, are really looking forward to it. There's going to be tons of people: Jimmy DeResta, Derek from Malden, Nerdforge, Molten Make, Average Joe Joinery will be there. Jeez, the names are so much. The Fools with Tools guys, they'll be there. Make It Safe will be there. The Woodgeneer will be there. Just, it's going to be tons of people. Now I'm going to be there. I'm going to have some stickers. I'll probably leave them around as well. But yeah, if you're there and you want to say hi, please do. And it'd be nice to see everybody again, because it's been too long. Makers Central is just yeah, it's a thing that means a lot to some people as well. I won't go into that, but it was something that kept me going. So yeah, no, Nick Zamati is doing a really good thing by putting it on again. There's lots of people behind the scenes, and yeah, Matt Cremona is going to be there, I'm pretty sure. April Wilkinson, it's just too many people to actually mention and remember. Oh, Brain Fizz, he's going to be there. Richard. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's too many yet. Yeah. But it's going to be good. So, well, really, I will hopefully get some projects made and make videos again. Once I actually work out what I'm going to do. So thank you for watching. Go over to the Evolution Power Tools YouTube channel. Go and have a look at the video I made with them. And thank you to them, because it was a good experience. And I will see you again. Ta-da.